today I'm here in Raynham, Massachusetts, and guess what, guys? There's a lot of snow. I just went to exchange something in the store, and now it's a lot of snow here in Raynham. On my way home to Colorado. Okay, guys, be safe out there in the road. As you can see there, here, it's snowing. Yeah. I'm still clearing up my window, and I just cleaned up the big ice there. It's a lot of snow, guys. Be safe in the road, guys. Take care, and I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Elvery's Blog. Thank you, guys. The Proud and Loud Mom. Bye, guys. See you guys later. Be safe out there. It's snow in New England today. Snow and rain. Bye, guys. Look, guys, a lot of snow here now, mixed with rain. Snow and rain right now. Rain. A lot of snow. My driving is not there. It's slippery. Sometimes it's not. Not right now, but maybe a little bit later. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And today I just got home from another town, and it's really snowing out here, guys, and thank God I arrived safely. I'm home, and today we're supposed to go to New Hampshire, but for baseball coach appointment with Sebastian, but he called us when we were halfway down there because it's more snow up in New Hampshire. So now we're home, and I'm home actually, and I guess John was out early today because we're supposed to accompany Sebastian for his appointment at the college up in New Hampshire. So now he must already went to pick up Teresa at school because she gets out 2:20. So I'm finally home, and I'm home safely. And be safe over there, guys, because it's still snowing out here in Massachusetts, around New England area. We have a lot of snow today. So be safe in the highway or in the road while you're driving. Thank you, guys. Have a great day, guys. Bye now. Thank you for watching, guys. Snow and rain. Snow and rain. It's gonna be slippery. Could drive. Snow and rain. Snow and rain. It's still snowing and it's still raining. You can see, guys, more snow coming and more rain is coming too, so it's a mix today. And here's Teresa. She's coming, guys. She just got home. Hi, Teresa. She's home.